going to click equals Vlookup, open bracket, and then click FX. The lookup value is always just one cell, always, always, always just one cell. The lookup is always one cell, and it's always where you start. Where did we start? Where was the first place we looked? B2. That's your lookup value. If that mark changed, the answer would change. Everything starts right there. It's always one cell, and it's the input. The table array is where all the answers are, not just for that cell, but for all of them, because we're creating a formula that we can autofill and can be used for everything. So I'm going to take the entire table. Why am I taking the 0, 60, 70, 80, and 90 column? Why am I taking that? Yeah, if I didn't have that, how would we have known that Patty got a B? We have to have this, and so does Excel. Excel doesn't have to, it needs the answer column, but it also needs the connection column. Where the mark is, it's going to look this up on that column and then go over. Where is the answer? Is it in the first column or the second column? Forget F and G, forget rows. My table right here is made up of those two columns. Is the answer in column 1 or column 2? Column 2. So where it says column index number, click 2 or type 2, the number 2. The range lookup, if I leave it blank or I type true, I get a close match. If I want an exact match, I have to type false. What do I want in this one?
True.
I want a true. Why do I want just a close match and not an exact match? Do you see 81 in here? No. If I needed an exact match, I'd have to have every possible mark in this table. 92.5, 93, 93.5, 94. I'd have to have every possible mark. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to, and just because I like to see something there, I'm going to type true. You can leave it omitted. There's still an error in this. And when I move it down, I'm getting some NAs. Why is there an error? Absolute value. What needs to be absolute? The table. So I'm going to highlight the table, hit F4. I highlighted F2 and G6 where the table array was. I clicked F4. That put all of those lovely dollar signs in. Click OK, and then drag it down. And if something changes, so this person got a 62, so it'll make the change.